Welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are just going to download our dev-C++ IDE. For downloading the dev-C++, I just simply search dev-C++ in Google. So this is a link of SourceForge.net website, and the official website here is Bloodsheet. So if I just go to the Bloodsheet website, so you can see here this is the feature list of code block, and this is the requirements of the code block. Okay, so simply download, so it will go to the SourceForge website. So I just directly go to that website and click on the download. So I just already download this dev-C++. So let's just see how to install this dev-C++. So you can see here when I just click on that and open that program, so it is loading the packet data. So this is 48 MB software. So for installing that, simply go to the OK and I agree, next, and you just simply click on install and then finish. It's required 346.8 MB space. Okay, so I just already installed that. So I just simply go to the dev-C++ and open the dev-C++. So you can see here it's opening. Okay, so I just click on new and the source file. So you can see here a source file is created here. When I just click on Control S, or I just go to Save As, so you just see it simply create a new file right here. So I just write demo2.c++. Okay, so it will create a demo2c++ file right here. If you find any other problem regarding this lecture, please let me know. I will also create article that how to install dev-C++. That will best option for you if you not understand that lecture. So if you not understand, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture.